Hello, today we will guide you through how to add HTML to eBay description. In this walkthrough, we'll add custom HTML to your eBay listing so your description looks polished, easy to read, and consistent with your brand. Start by opening your web browser and going to the eBay homepage. If you aren't already signed in, sign in so you can access your selling tools and any saved work. Once you are on the homepage, look toward the top right of the screen and find the Sell option. Click Sell to enter the selling workspace, which takes you into the listing flow where you manage active listings and drafts. On the selling page, locate the Drafts section. Drafts are saved listings you can return to and edit at any time. Open the draft you want to work on by clicking the draft item. This will load your listing so you can make changes without starting from scratch. Inside the draft, scroll down until you reach the description section. This editor controls what buyers will read beneath your photos and item specifics. It typically has a standard visual editor and an option to view or edit the HTML directly. Before you paste anything, take a moment to confirm you're in the description area, not the short subtitle or item specifics, so your formatting appears where you expect. Now paste your HTML code into the description field. Use clean, lightweight HTML that focuses on structure and readability. Headings for sections, paragraphs for text, and simple lists or tables as needed. Keep styles minimal and mobile friendly. eBay removes scripts and disallows active content, so avoid JavaScript, iframes, and embedded forms. If you reference images, use HTTPS links and make sure they are hosted reliably so they load quickly for buyers. To review the underlying markup, click Show HTML Code. This switches the editor to code view so you can verify that your tags are correct, check for unclosed elements, and confirm any inline styles. If you originally pasted in the visual view, toggling to HTML should display the same content with tags. You can switch back to the visual view to see how the formatting renders. If something looks off, check for extra line breaks, nested tags that don't close, or fixed widths that might break the layout on mobile. That's it. You've opened your draft, reached the description, pasted your HTML, and used Show HTML Code to confirm it. Continue with your usual listing flow when you're satisfied, and your updated description will be ready for buyers.